Here are the 5 drivers who I believe have the speed, the talent, and the biggest possibility of being not only F1 drivers but might even become champions. Driver number 1 is Arvid Lindblad. Arvid is an 18-year-old British Red Bull Junior driver, and Lindblad is currently competing in F2 with Campos Racing and is 7th in that championship with 1 feature race win. Let's take a look at Lindblad's career. In prior seasons, Arvid competed in Italian F4, the most prestigious F4 championship, F3, in which he placed in 4th overall, and this season in F2. He also became the youngest race winner in F2 history, which isn't an easy record to set. Lindblad's F1 chances are quite high when you look at whom he represents, Red Bull. We all know that Red Bull like to swap drivers around, and if Max decides to leave next season, Lindblad will have a seat in the Red Bull family for 2027. He also therefore has a chance at a title in a Red Bull or elsewhere if Red Bull can't get back to the top. He certainly has the skill for it. Lindblad has already had test sessions and practice sessions in a real F1 machinery. Driver number 2 is Rafa Camara. Rafa is a 20-year-old Brazilian and this season's F3 champion who represents the Ferrari Driver Academy. He certainly is on the older side of drivers in this video who isn't in F2 yet, but his debut season in F3 was not less impressive due to that. He has won 4 of the 9 races so far this season, and is the first driver to ever have secured the F3 title before the final race of the season. He also got pole and the race win in his first weekend as a rookie in F3 this season. Let's look at his past then. He has the win record in Formula Regional European the step before F3 and raced in different Formula 4 series in years prior to that. Camara's F1 chances are big due to his incredible season in F3 and being part of the Ferrari Junior program. Means that he might get a seat at Ferrari engine customers prior to being put into Ferrari, a bit like Leclerc got in 2017, I think. If he gets a Ferrari seat, he certainly has a chance at a championship at some point. Driver number 3, Alex Dunn. Dunn is a 20-year-old Irish McLaren Junior driver racing in F2 for Rodin Motorsport. Dunn is an aggressive driver who is an eager risk taker. Think a bit like Max Verstappen. Dunn is currently racing in F2 and is in the title fight with a current place of 5th. He has also won races this year. In his more junior career, Alex raced in many different F4 championships. Then in GB3, which is a British series, a bit like F3. Prior to his season in F2, he spent 2 seasons in F3 and got 2 podiums. His F1 chances have also increased immensely during the summer because he is rumored to be in contention for a seat at the new team Cadillac next year.
Oh well.
He also has a champion's mentality, as I said before that he's a bit like Verstappen in terms of his racing. Driver number 4 is Freddie Slater. Slater is a 17-year-old British racing driver and this season's FRECA champion. In the past, Slater raced in many F4 series and a few Formula Regional series. Freddie has also subbed in for 2 F3 race weekends this season and did really well, getting a podium in one of the sprint races. He doesn't have the support of any F1 junior teams, he's just keeping his options open, which increases his chances at getting a seat of any kind in F1. I believe and hope we will get to see him in F3 or F2 next year, and likely in F1 at some point. His incredible adaptability showed when he got that podium in his first ever F3 race event. He is a real talent and has the skill needed to be a F1 world champion. Driver number 5 is Leonardo Fornaroli. Fornaroli is a 21-year-old Italian, the oldest on the list, is last year's F3 champion and this year's F2 championship leader. And he could do the same thing as the likes of Oscar Piastri, Bortoletto, Norris, Russell and Charles Leclerc in winning Formula 3 and F2 back to back. Now in F2 he has a small gap at the front of the field, about a race win worth of points. Before his Formula 3 seasons he raced in 2 Formula Regional Series and many Formula 4 championships. His F1 chances are looking good when you consider what the other back-to-back winners have been able to do. He also, like Slater, isn't affiliated with a junior team, so he has many options if someone wants him on the Formula 1 grid. Note, all of the drivers also did karting for many years before driving in Formula 4 or anything like that. All of these drivers have driven in the F1 circus already, and there's more talent in F2 and F3 that I haven't covered, and lots of great talent in karting and other junior series, but they're more difficult to judge who might get into F1. For example, very few of the FIA karting world champions have gotten into F1. In conclusion, I think it's safe to say F1's future is looking incredibly exciting. But what do you think? Which of these drivers do you see as a future champion of the sport? And do you think I missed anyone? Anyways, that's it for now, and I'll see you next time.